Hi friends, and welcome to this video. Friends, I will show you how to cancel your Bitdefender subscription or membership. So friends, without wasting any time, first step, log in your account on Bitdefender. This is the first step, friends, you need to do, and scroll down, click my subscription, and then when you go to my subscription, click this icon subscription from here. After that, friends, go to this three line, as you can see on the screen. Go to this three line, and then all you have to do, click on this three line, and then click on cancel my subscription. You see this button from here, just like this exactly. You see this one, cancel subscription. After that, click cancel. You see this on the red banner, as you can see on the screen. You see just exactly just like this image, cancel subscription. So this is how you can do, guys. It's easy steps. Click just cancel subscription. You see from here, and in my case I don't have any premium plan, so if you have a premium plan, just click cancel from here directly. This is how you can do, friends. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video for more content, and if you have any problem, you can go directly to support and then choose any custom here, and you can reach the support from here, and you can cancel your subscription via support. Just click this icon, for example this one, and go to cancel from the support team. For example, from here you can cancel through the support team. Thanks guys for watching this video. See you on another video soon.